In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product weights using the Shopify bulk editor. This is a handy feature to update multiple product weights at once if you're managing a broad inventory and want to make swift updates without delving into each individual product. So, let's dive into the process and streamline your workflow. To begin, let's head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, glance over to the left-hand panel where you'll find a host of management options. Here, click on the Products tab. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your online store. It's a central hub where you can view, edit, or enhance any product in your lineup. As you look at the product listings, you'll notice checkboxes next to each product name. These are your tools for selection. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the products for which you want to update the weight. Once you've made your selections, navigate to the top of the list where you'll see the Bulk Edit button. A simple click will open the bulk editor, which conveniently simplifies your products into a spreadsheet format. In this spreadsheet format, you can conduct various edits. It's a familiar sight for many, akin to popular data organizing platforms. Your product details are displayed in a uniform grid, ready for mass editing. However, you may notice the weight of each product isn't visible by default. If that's the case, don't worry. It's a simple fix to add this crucial detail into the mix. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a Columns button. Click on it, and an assortment of additional fields will appear. Scan through until you find the weight field. Checking this option will integrate a new column into your spreadsheet, allowing you instant access to adjust the weights of your selected products. Once you have the weight column visible, you can directly enter or modify the weights for each product in your list. This approach keeps everything seamless and centralized, as all your changes are undertaken within this editor. Whether you're adjusting for shipping specifics or updating product details categorically, this tool offers efficiency at your fingertips. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to update product weights in bulk using Shopify's bulk editor. This method is beneficial not only for managing shipping and inventory data, but also for enhancing the overall efficiency of your online store operations. With this process in place, you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more on growing your business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video, and happy selling!